8 comma, what was 8 comma 2,
8 comma 6,
8 comma 6, and then 8 comma
minus 2,
minus 2, and then we have
2 comma minus 2.
2 comma minus 2. This is O. So ये its coordinates are x and y, right? So if we go for, so this is what we have. This distance is same. This is equal to r. For every, it is r, right? So r is equal to distance. So distance is equal to, we will go for, they all will same. So d is equal to, say, x y minus 6, y minus 6 whole square plus x minus 8 whole square, right? And then we have d, then we have y minus, तो ये जाएगा y minus y plus 2 whole square plus x minus 8 whole square, right? If you equate all these, then what do you get? If you equate all these, then you get, this is 1, this is 2. On equating, so it is y minus 6 whole square plus x minus 8 whole square is equal to y plus 2 whole square plus x minus 8 whole square. This minus x you cancelled out, and you get y square plus 36 minus 12y is equal to y square plus 4 plus 4y. This y square is gone, and you get how much? You bring this here, bring it here. So when it goes on this side, it becomes 36 minus 4 is equal to, it comes on this side, so it becomes 12y plus 4y. So it is what? 16. So this is 32 is equal to 16y. 2 times 16 becomes 32. So we get y is equal to 2. Right? We get y is equal to 2. Right? Now, if we take this one, and another one is d is equal to y plus 2 y, no, don't take this, don't take this, you take this second one now. So y plus 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square plus x plus 2 whole square, right? This is equation number 3. So when you equate this, it becomes y plus 2 whole square is equal to, y plus 2 whole square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to, you take this second one, y plus 2 whole square plus x minus 8 whole square. So y plus 2 and y plus 2 square is cancelled out, right? This is equating equation 2 and 3. Here equating equation 1 and 2, ठीक है? So what is left now? X square plus 4 plus 4x is equal to x square plus 64 minus 16x. This x square is gone, right? This 4 comes on this side. So how much it becomes? 16x my plus 4x becomes 20x. What is coming answer? 3/2.
5,2. And circumradius is 5 units.
This is coming on this side, so it is 20x is equal to 64 minus 4 is equal to 60. So it is coming x is equal to 3.
Yes, sir.
But in your book answer is coming
5,2.
so there I did a mistake. X plus 2 whole square. Oh, y plus 2 है ना, ये तुम्हारा y plus 2 whole square, ये x minus 2 whole square होगा. जब ये x minus 2 whole square होगा तो ये इधर minus 4x हो जाएगा, ये इधर आएगा तो ये 12x हो जाएगा, तो ये 12x हो जाएगा. और जब ये 12x हो जाएगा तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा x is equal to 60 by 12 is equal to 5. So you get x is equal to 5. Right? Do you understand what I said? So this is we have. Now if we have to find radius of the circle, so for getting radius, now d is equal to r is equal to here you get 5,2. So 5 minus 8 whole square. Oh sorry, no, it should not be like this. 2 comma minus 6, 2 comma 2 minus 6 whole square plus 5 minus 8 whole square. So you get how much? 4 square minus 4 square plus minus 3 square. It becomes 16, and this is for equating distance, that is fine, but when we are finding distance, so it will be in square root. It will be in square root. It will be in square root. Right. We have written here square. We have written here square. You write here. Also, here is d square. You can write. Right. So it becomes how much? 16 plus 9 root. It becomes root 25. Therefore, R is equal to 5 unit. Right?